Right guys, I'm out today with the drone and the camera. I've got the camera on just full auto ISO, f9ish. I want to just adjust the shutter speed as appropriately. I've got the drone with me. I'm going to try and fly it, see if it follows me, and I'll just need to find a field first to put it in, and then I'll test a couple of settings, see if it's going to be any use when I'm actually out taking photographs, making videos. So try to attract Highland coos. Somebody's not doing a good job yet. Try and get a picture for our Facebook. So the Highland coos aren't coming. The rest of the coos are running. They are there. I want to see them. Woo! That's my assistant. I actually just try to get them over here. I don't think he's working, but good luck to him.
Looks like a wee old man, that tree. See?
You think so?
Aye, right. There's his legs.
Right.
There's his arms. And there's his wee
So,
face. And there's his eyes at each end up there.
You only got one arm?
No, there's other arm there. And there's other one there. There's his eye.
Is he one of the
nose.
Russian wrestlers?
Come on.
I'll take a picture and we'll see. This was the field I was going to go into with the drone. What do you think of that? Check the sheep will mind. I do. He's looking ready. Oh well. Need to find another one.
Come on.
What?
Here. Want to see you? Oh,
You've plenty of wool in the house, son.
want to see you?
I'm here.
Come on.
What?
Bah.
You're worrying me. New trails. This is a costly walk, this. I'm out in the countryside, it's still going to cost me money. I'm going down to the next field, because there's a field down here. This sheep can keep this field. There should be, hopefully there's a gate down here. If there isn't, I'm going back. Right, let's test this drone out. We'll see if it follows me.
Medium. Follow. 3, 2, 1.
There you go. So, you're going to follow me? It follows me. Hello. Come this way then. On my hornet. Cool. Let's go to another setting.
Droney. Circle. Rocket. Spotlight. Direction track. Follow. Droney.
Droney. Let's try droney.
4 meters. Droney. 3, 2,
4 meters.
1.
So you're going to droney about, round about me. Four meters. Come to land. Come to land. Cool. Let's go to the next one.
Circle.
Circle.
2 meters.
2
Circle.
2 meter circle.
2, 1.
I'll take some pictures while I'm waiting. A bit closer, you know. Cool. You coming back? Next, what's next? Rocket, I think.
So how do you
Rocket.
Rocket.
control it then with the controller?
Alright,
That they are?
I'll get to the controller.
4 meters. Rocket.
Rocket.
3,
Is that up the way?
1.
Rocket. Get my baldy bit. Oh, you got a wee bit of fresh air there. That's 4 meters. You got to follow me now.
How you got to get that back then?
It comes home. You do that. Look. That's it coming back to me. It's quite clever. So once I get used to the art thing and flying it, I'll fly it about. A wee bit of wind. What's next on this wee rocket?
Spotlight.
Spotlight. I know what spotlight is.
Spotlight. 3, 2, 1.
You spotlight on me? Yeah. Cool. So that's if I'm just standing taking pictures, obviously. It'll look at me to see what I'm doing. I'm back to... What's next?
Direction track.
We'll leave that one now.
Well, it's up to you.
Now we've got a big shower. Ooh. So I'm hiding under the trees. It's no lightning yet. What should I for hiding under the tree? But it is raining heavy. I'm in the middle of nowhere. We're 3 miles from home. I've looked at an umbrella. She has. Oh well. Look at that, lovely weather. Well, the rain's not went off. It's not a shower. Bag, camera's in a wee carrier bag, so that should be fine. Just need to walk home late. This is the joys of photography. A wee 2-minute walk. Aye, it's sunset. We'll go a wee walk, she says.
No, you say
It's a lovely day, she says.
No,
Oh, that sun's too warm, she says. And here we are. Had a wee bath. I'm fine. I wish I was at my work. And that's just how we wrap up the camera in this weather. 2 dog poo bags. Don't even have a dog.